Hey everyone, Franco here with Wisdify, and today's topic might seem subtle, but trust me, it'll transform how you work. It's all about maximizing your screen space in Excel. And why does this matter? When you're juggling massive data sets or trying to make intricate dashboards, or maybe you're just trying to keep distractions at bay, every inch of your screen real estate counts. Think about working with all of this data and having to know the details of each cell. When you're going that far, extra screen space can mean the difference between smooth sailing and missed deadlines. So stick with me and I'll reveal tips you didn't even know you needed to create a spacious, streamlined canvas for all of your Excel tasks. So if you're looking at my screen right now, you should be seeing assumptions that are plugged into the income statement right here. And the thing here is, there's a lot that we need to fix, but in order to understand this, we need to compare the tables and maybe we need to understand the relationships. Okay? Right now, we can only see two tables at a time, and maybe you want to settle for that, but I don't. And let me show you how I'd handle this. The first thing that you need to know to maximize your screen space in Excel is the fact that you can actually hide elements of your canvas, right? Let's say that I'm not working with formulas right now. I need to hide this formula bar. You can just click on View up here, and you can actually hide your formula bar if you need to. All right. Is that all you can hide? Absolutely not. This is still space that you need up here. There's this little button here that hides the ribbon for you. So you might say, hey, I don't want it to be gone forever. Chill out because it's just right here. Click on one of the items up here and your ribbon comes back. If you move your mouse away, it gets hidden again. If you want to keep it, just open it up and click on the pin to keep it pinned. Okay. Now there's a shortcut to this. And if I highlight this, you'll see that if you press Ctrl F1, I'm going to do that. You can hide or you can pin your taskbar as you please. Now we know how to hide the formula bar. We know how to hide the ribbon. And if you don't need this space down here, let's say that you're done maximizing the zoom that you need. Maybe your eyesight is good. You can zoom out far and see more data. Or maybe you're content with having this at 100%. But either way, look how much space we're saving right now. We can actually see almost all of the third table right now. Can we take this further? The answer is yes. So if I press Ctrl Shift and F1, just like what we did a while ago, but now we add Shift, we actually go into full screen mode. And now I can actually see the whole of the third table now. I can see 3 tables when before we could only see 2. If you still need to remove other parts of your Excel canvas, boy, I still have tips for you. So all you need to do is go to your Excel options. You can find that by clicking on File. And once you're here, click on Advanced, scroll all the way down, and you can actually find this portion on Display. So you can actually choose to hide the formula bar. You can hide screen tips if you want. You can hide your horizontal scroll bar, your vertical scroll bar, even your sheet tabs, right? And you can hide your row and column headers as well. So now you click OK and boom, right? In addition to that, you use the Ctrl Shift F1 I just taught you. And now you can even see the last table. That's some really powerful stuff there. And that's pretty much it. You've just learned how to open up your workspace, reduce clutter, and give your eyes a break. If these tips helped you tackle big projects more comfortably, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more Excel insights. If you have questions, comments, or maybe you even want to share your own screen space hacks, just drop them down below and let's learn together. Until next time, enjoy your newly decluttered view and keep making Excel work for you. Have a great day.